Hi students. So in one video I showed you how to solve 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication problems using the place value method. In this video I want to show you how to solve 3-digit by 1-digit problems using the box method. Okay, so it's the same problems but two different ways to solve the problem and get the exact same answer. So let me show you what I do. So for the box method, this is the same problem that we had earlier, 604 times 5. So draw a box. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mine is not perfect whatsoever. And then I want you to break apart the number 604. So we want to break it apart by the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. So how many hundreds are here? 6. So we're going to do 600. How many tens are here? 0. And how many ones are here? 4. In our problem, we're multiplying 604 times 5. So now what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply across. There you go, this is a little bit better. So we just broke 604 apart by the hundreds, tens, and ones. So now we have to multiply. So we're first going to multiply 600 times 5. So we really easy way, the way I like to do it, I like to, when it's a bunch of zeros, I do 5 times 6 is 30. And then how many extra zeros are there? There are 2. And the answer is 3,000. But if that's too advanced for you, we can do step by step. 5 times 0 is 0, because any number times 0 is 0. 5 times 0, 0. And 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so we just did part of the problem. Now we're going to move on to the 10-digit number, which was 0, right? So 5 times 0 is, so we're going to do 0 times 5 is 0. Lastly, we're going to do the ones digit by multiplied by 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. So now that we have all these numbers, what are we going to do with them? We're going to add them all up. So starting from left to right, we're going to add them up. So we're going to add 3,000 plus 0 plus 20. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus nothing is 0. And 3 plus nothing is 3. And I want to show you and see if we got the same answer like we did last time using the place value method. And the answer is yes, we got 3,020 there using the place value method. And in this method, we got the same, let me show you, same answer using the box method. So once again, we separated our original problem by the hundreds, tens, and ones. Then we multiplied each number by 5, and then we added them all up. Okay. So that's one other way to solve the problem, solving 3-digit by 1-digit numbers by using the box method. So you can use either method, the place value method or the box method. It's whatever is easier for you and whichever way you like best.